come now if you're coming.
Accurate judges, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good night. With God's blessings, giving me the ability to work well with figures, hence my favorite subject, mathematics, and my career goal to become an accountant. It is my faith that guides me to making responsible choices as well as going the path of my education. You can always find me reading mystery books or in the kitchen preparing my favorite dish all day. This 13-year-old is kind, smart, and friendly with a love for culture and the art form. The Slavery Abolition Act 1833 ended slavery in the British Empire on August 1, 1834. The Emancipation Day is widely observed in the British West Indies during the first week of August. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the cultural village man, I am Clarilla Biranjik. I thank you.